Okay, now that we've got all of our dredged eggplant together, we're going to add some sauce to the bottom of a baking dish. This is that homemade sauce we just made. And what you want to do is put a nice thin layer down on the bottom here so it doesn't stick. Now this is one of those non-stick type of flexible pans, and chances are it won't stick anyway, but why take chances? Plus it'll have some nice flavor on the bottom too. So just go ahead and take your time and roll that around onto the bottom. If you're in a real hurry, you could pour this in and just move it around, but hey, this is a labor of love here, so if you've got the time, why don't you just go ahead and do it. We're going to have plenty of sauce for the other layers, so make sure you just cover the entire bottom, including the corners. It's a real thin layer. Make sure you press it all into those corners. Another small ladle into there. Again, this will keep it from sticking if it might, and then it'll also give this flavor to the bottom.